We match to when we make stuff. So.
Okay.
And this is for the cabin shell, right here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go turn the light off.
Okay.
And
Sure.
then I'll meet you over
Let
here.
me grab the
Where's your voltmeter? Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it in here?
It should be there. Over there.
You can come out this way.
Okay.
This is where we make a lot of our tools in here.
Okay.
This is our tooling, so we can make that. We also got for making plastic, clear plastic, and also interior plastic. We have heat machines here that you put the plastic on, heats it up, and puts it up and down. And
So it's thermoforming.
Yeah.
Okay.
And air.
I see. For the big details. We have we have several small ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
This is some of our
thermoforming.
tooling for towelings and stuff like that. And
Okay.
so this is where the guys make a lot of the tooling if they need to. We can fabricate in here.
Yeah. So which type of CNC do you have for milling?
What now?
Which type of CNC do you have for milling?
Oh yeah, we got. I'll show you. Yeah.
You designed the way how to produce cheap but accurate molds
Yeah.
using MDF as a source.
Is that what you use as a program?
Yeah, on CNC. But key thing is that we are soaking it with epoxy before finishing into size.
Okay. A lot of these tools and machines are for one thing. You know, they're set up like this is for making precision cuts on our landing gear once
Okay.
it's done, after it's heat treated and everything.
Okay.
So tooling like that is for that. But here's the CNCs right here.
So how much in center?
We have three of them.
I see.
This one, that's the big one, and then this one.
Okay. I see. And we have two as well.
Yeah. with the
Okay.
tools and everything. We can do a lot. Have you been in the Hammer House?
No,
Let's go
no.
over there real quick.
Sure.
Okay, so in there is all the metals, sheets,
Okay.
and we'll show you that on the way back.
Okay.
You got your thing there. Whoops. Sorry.
Oh, no problem.
We used to do contract work. Bam.
Yeah, I see.
Tooling, molding,
So you are make metal pressing.
stretch.
Okay. Press
Okay.
molding.
Here's a big
I
drop
see.
hammer. Bam.
Okay.
Okay, so we can make that's our parts in there now. So we do that. We got three of those. 1, 2, 3. That's an
Oh, it's a bigger one.
That's a hydraulic press. That's not a drop hammer. So that one, big stuff.
I
A
see.
lot of capacity there.
And you do contract work on.
Heat treat?
Yeah.
There's our heat treating right there.
What's this? What's this?
Heat treat. You know, heat them up 900 degrees, quench them in the water, make them hard.
Oh, I see. Heat treat. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, we can
understand.
do them all here.
Okay.
So we got a glycol quench, we got a water quench.
So it's fully automatic.
It's what?
So it's fully automatic, and you can heat treat any metal, aluminium,
We
alloy.
only aluminum. We don't do
Yeah.
steel.
You do not do steel at all. Okay. And welding, aluminium welding.
Aluminum welding? Sure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We can do that. Steel welding, we can do all that. This is a service center. This is where we repair airplanes. That's the one I just flew.
That's one you fly.
Just flew it. Yeah.
Okay.
Checked it out and it works good. Engineering test. This is where we build and design things for experimental testing. And things
Okay.
like that. making these doors. Cut out the metal into the stamp,
Yep.
bam, bam, cut it and trim it to that tool. And those are gear doors.
Okay.
We have all the drawings. So if they need to look up a part number,
Sure.
and we have the drawings all here. So they can pull something out and see the drawing and how to make it and stuff.
Sure.
Hey, Sonny, why don't you get a bigger wrench? What? Get a bigger wrench. That one ain't big enough.
Hi.
Over here, there's an AccuPress. That's a digital press right there.
Yeah. Okay. What's digital press?
Yeah, it's all computer control.
Uh,
Same part.
I mean, what's the difference between digital one?
It's what?
What's the difference between digital one? Is it controlling the pressing force?
Control it all right there.
Okay.
Okay, this is our shear room.
I
This
see.
is all the metals. Okay, come down, get cut on this shear. It runs through this Amada. It's a punch press. This is what left, when it gets done punching.
Yeah. That's great. Which size is the maximum for this press?
I'm not sure. I don't
Okay.
know. And then there's a water jet.
And the water jet, okay.
Yeah,
And do you have laser cut?
Yeah, it'll do a lot. It'll do a lot of stuff.
I mean, do you have the laser cut as well?
I'm sorry?
Laser cut?
No, not
Okay.
lasers right now. We're looking for one.
Yeah, okay.
But this is where all the metals are all kept track of, so we know where it came from, which batch, which heat lot, all that. It's all in the computers.
Okay.
That's about it.
I asking about laser cut because our parts are thin.
Okay, well, you need something, you want us to look at it?
Yeah, sure,
Let us
sure.
know, we'll work with you.
Okay.
And I talked to Johnny last night about you guys. So that's where we're at.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. So it is
We're here to go to
it's
work.
much more than I expected
Really?
to see. Even knowing that Mooney have a 100 years history,
Yeah, not quite 100 years, but close.
But
About
close,
80
yeah.
years.
it's not 29th founded.
Well, see, we're originally up in Wichita.
Which
Okay,
it, where it
then
is?
we moved, Kansas, middle of the country.
I see,
Right in the
okay.
middle of the U.S. And you know about this. This is all our parts. So, there you go.
Yeah,
Now,
Thank you.
imagine
yeah.
25 airplanes right here being built. That's
In a
how
row.
many-
So it's main assemble.
This is final assembly here.
It's a final assembly.
Sub-assemblies over here, like the wing jigs, the flaps, all those components are built up over there. And then this is final assembly right here. We'll start with the tail cone. And that airplane down there is probably about 80% completed structurally. There's the airplane. This was the assembly line right here. It'd start right here. Build the tail cones, build the floorboards, go to the next, put the skins on it, next bolt it to a steel frame, and
Yeah.
engine down there, electronics down there.
We planned assembly production for the size of
We
approximately
actually had-
one block of this.
Yeah, we actually had a railroad, and it would just whistle would blow. People would just grab hold of it. They're underneath it. It would pull them along and keep working. Our best year ever, we made 787 airplanes in 1 year.
797 airplanes 1 year.
2 airplanes.
Two airplanes a day.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So back there, you can see that wing.
Yeah.
That's from a damaged airplane, and we put it back in the jig so we could reskin it and rebuild it.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
You got a voltometer?
Yes.
You want
I've
some
got
lights on?
Them. Yes. I have everything.
Put
So
on some lights for you.
lights for you mean in this area?
Yeah, just this area.
Area lights. Yeah.
Yep.
Where it is?
It's right up here. where I'll be working today. I gotta repair a gear door. They put it together wrong. It's a new part, so I get to fix it.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about turning them off, but
But I can.
yeah. Well, at the end of the day, we'll make sure you're not the last person out.
Okay.
Only with the yellow.
All yellow.
Yeah. Okay, did that get down there enough? Yeah, let's go with that. Half and half. Yeah, we need to be down here. I'll probably turn these all off, but I gotta work here today, so that's my toolbox.
I see.
How's that? That should help.
Yeah, much better.
Okay?
Yeah.
Pretty good. Oh,
Yeah.
What happened to your trailer?
You mean what? You mean
Trailer?
why it's inclined?
Oh, it's underneath there. Okay, the doors have come down.
Yeah, sure. It's actually
okay.
not a trailer only. It's at the greater ground station. There's
Yeah, that's cool.
That's hydraulic components inside the trailer.
Really?
Oh yeah, we have the access through this window. It should be open at first before opening the box, but we have this window
So this
to operate it. So it's a full operation.
Is it vertical takeoff?
Yes, sure.
Okay. I didn't know with all the wings. Then it's designed to kind of move too forward.